The 2015 Scion FR-S. With a front-mounted flat boxer engine and a 6-speed transmission, the rear-wheel drive Scion FR-S has motorsport running in its veins. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, trip computer, CD player, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, passenger vanity mirror. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.